Say na tanan. Yes, hindi pagpakita sa akon. Eh, libutang sa tunga. Alright, and shuffle. Shuffle the cards. Yes. Okay, shuffle. Oh. Okay, shuffle the cards, ma'am. Sige pa, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am? Baka, pwede pa na, ma'am. Pakibutang tanan. Pinahulog?
Assistant, bully. Assistant ko na. Bali guys, pag o niya nang nakita nga trick sa ako. Yes. This is a very dangerous magic, guys. Ma'am, okay na ma'am, na-shuffle mo na. Ganito ma'am, may timing ng puto na magic ma'am. When I say throw the cards up in the air, itapon mo yung baraha ma'am dito lang ma'am, ha? Guys, watch! Yung baraha na napili niya guys, matutusok ng espada ko. Magandang magic ba yun? Magandang magic ba yun? Hindi. Sige. Wait. There's more. Naka-blindfold po ako.
Bago yan, ma'am. Dapat isuot mo, ma'am. Huwag akong mainis, ma'am, kasi mabango to, ma'am. Promise. Ma'am, may nakita ka, wala? Wala. Miski balis ka doon, ta. Ma'am, may nakita ka, wala? Wala. Ito, kagwapa, galing siya magkapuno. Alright guys, watch. Ma'am, ready ma'am? Timing lang po, timing. When I say, throw the cards up in the air. Spread mo ma'am yung cards, tapos tapon mo pa ganon, ha? Dito lang ma'am, ha? Guys, watch. What's your name, ma'am? Ma'am Faith. Guys, are you ready, guys? Guys, ready, ma'am? When I say throw the cards up in the air, tapon mo, ma'am. Right dito. Saan ka, ma'am? Saan ka? Hawakan mo, ma'am. Hawakan mo. Ma'am, ready? Guys, are you ready? Ma'am Faith, throw the cards up in the air. Tapon mo, ma'am, ha? 2. Inamoy mo na? Mama, throw the cards up in the air at the count of 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Tapon mo, ma'am, ha? Sige, final. Throw the cards up in the air at the count of 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Wala akong blind ko, ma'am. Tamo na namin tanan, Pia, boy, no? Tunga mo. Para timing. Okay na, ha? Sorry. Okay, guys, watch. Assistant! Ready na kayo? Young face! Hawakan mo kamay ko! Bakit? Ready ka na? Isa pa, ma'am, hawak. Okay! Throw the cards up in the air at the count of 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3, tama!
It's real, see?
Ah!
It's a real fighting sword, okay?
Ma'am, ano yung baraha mo ma'am? Q na? Q o ba? Pagsip lang waya. Q o! Ito pa, ay sorry ma'am, na zoom. Ito ba yan? Guys, everybody clap your hands. Few of hearts. Thank you very much, guys. Clap your hands. Few of hearts. Alright, okay guys, clap your hands.